Getting spins on Temu is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First of all, open up the Temu app. Then search Redeem in the search bar. After that, click on the U icon from the bottom bar. And tap on the Earn Credits and Free Gift option from here. You can see so many free gifts here. Refresh the page and then click on Start. To get your cash, tap on Start. You can refer a friend and earn free coins together. Then open up the web browser on your phone. And search here Apps Happy Temu. Click to open its site. Here, find the Temu app. Then open up the Temu app and go into Earn Credits and Free Gifts. To get a spin, you need to send a referral code to your friends, which will give you the free spin.